This has been the best birthday I've ever had, honestly. Actually makes me emotional just thinking about it.
Why then that?
Just wait, Bobby. Happy birthday. Oh my god. Huh? You have to wash it. It didn't really get in your ear. It's your shoulder.
Did you get on my hair?
No.
Hi guys, it's my birthday today.
Yeah. Yeah, yard man thing, yeah.
Mommy's birthday.
Yeah.
It's my birthday.
On mommy birthday.
Yeah. Mommy birthday.
Yeah.
Dada birthday.
Yeah.
Alan birthday.
Yay. That is a yard man thing, you know. That one is for the culture.
Welcome guys. As you all know, Babe already did the prank on me this morning with the flower. It is my birthday today, guys. Anyways, yes, it is my Earth Strong today, guys. And I just wanted to say Babe was doing some funny stuff this morning. I think someone came and dropped something off, so I don't know about it. I don't know anything about it. And I can't wait to see whatever it may be that he's sneakily doing. Sneakily. Mr. Sneaky. I'm going to have to start calling you Mr. Sneaky.
What do you mean, Mr. Sneaky?
No, not Mr. Sneaky. So yeah, birthday's been great so far. I'm going to go out and have some breakfast now. And what do you say?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it?
Rainbows.
Whose birthday is it?
Rainbows cakes.
Oh, okay. I keep asking his birthday it is, and he's like, oh, it's my birthday. So anyways, guys, yeah, so we're going out for breakfast and then just see what the day brings. And then this afternoon, I decided that I wanted a barbecue. So we're going to have a barbecue and, yeah, see how we go. All right, so join us for the day today, guys, for my birthday.
Yeah.
So guys, this is my outfit for the day.
It's my birthday.
Boop, boop, boop,
Poo. I'm a gummy bear. Poo, 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 poo.
Yeah, just a little black dress, you know. It is what it is. It is what it is. And just some shoes. You haven't got yourself a pair of these.
Yucky.
Oh, can't really show you. Wait.
Yucky. Pickle.
Like here, bubble.
No.
Your dress. You haven't got yourself a pair of these. Move, Island. These are Pumas. Yeah. 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 No, I don't wear glasses. This is just for fashion. They're blue glasses. I think something for the computer or whatever. So guys, I thought it was going to rain today. It still looks like the weather is a little bit funny. But nevertheless, it's still my birthday, so you know. So as I showed you my outfit today, I matched it with my another little bag that I had. And yeah, so that's what it is. Hey babes?
Yeah, man.
We're just, you know, going with the flow. There's nothing really much planned for the day. But yeah, so and there's little island boy.
Hi.
Hi. So we're just gonna go for breakfast. I'm hungry. What are you gonna have?
Even though I am hungry.
You're hungry? I know what you want. You probably want the big breakfast
Yeah.
with probably not fried eggs. You probably want them
Fried, but really.
but cooked
fried,
well.
fried
okay.
good.
Yeah, like no runny stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And Island boy, what are you gonna have?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Oh, how about you have some pancakes?
Cupcakes.
Pancakes with ice cream.
Yeah, pancakes.
Well, I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I guess it's gonna be something with eggs in it for sure.
And cupcakes.
All right, let's do this. Join us on this not so beautiful day. Well,
Chocolate.
It's beautiful.
it is a nice day, but yeah, just yeah. Is raining a good day or what? Raining means something. Maybe I should play the lotto. I might win. So guys, we're here, just waiting on our breakfast now. We've ordered, and yeah, can't wait to have a nice cappuccino. And Island, what are you gonna have again?
Cupcakes.
I don't know about cupcakes, mister. You're gonna have something nicer than what you chose.
I like rainbows cupcakes. Look!
Plain.
Plain.
Plain, yeah.
Yeah. You got flour on the lens.
Yeah, it's on just
on the top. Here's my coffee.
Coffee.
Hot chocolate.
Mister, it's supposed to go in here.
Oh, yum. You got marshmallow. Oh, you took it off here.
Yeah, he took it.
You like it? Oh. So this is Babe's breakfast, guys. Island's breakfast, which he doesn't seem like he wants to eat it, and he will. And yeah. And this is what I'm getting, guys. What I got. Eggs. Island, sit down and eat. Come on.
See it, my peeps. Crime scene left.
I tried to eat the mushrooms, but
Yeah.
it's nice, but yeah.
Ooh.
It's good.
Yeah, my belch. Full.
Big belch.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Just had breakfast.
Ready to go and relax.
Coins.
Yeah.
Money.
Your money.
Alright. So we're ready to go at breakfast and full now. So I'm there, guys. I make some asado. You know, Argentinian asado. Yeah, some sausage. Stop the music for a sec. Yeah, so I'm here making some Argentinian asado. Yeah, man. So we have some sausage here and some chicken we're gonna put on later on. Yeah, little Bobo did this play. Yeah, man. Hey guys, it's Babe's birthday, so you know, making the day special for her. Yeah, as usual, this is not because of a birthday thing, you see me. But yeah, we make the day extra special. Yeah. But there I make video.
It's my birthday.
Yeah.
Yes,
Really?
it's my birthday, Iron birthday, Mommy birthday.
Oh, I love your birthday.
And give presents.
Yeah, man. So guys, little more, I give Babes our gift, which is a ring, as I said before. Yeah, man. And tomorrow evening, take her to get her full body massage. Yeah, so she don't know about them surprise yet. She might get the ring today and think so that it's over, and then tomorrow something else. You see it. So yeah, and also have I collect her cake earlier today. The lady dropped it off. Yeah, so it's good times, you know what I mean. So tell her happy birthday, make sure you know. Yeah, man, August 16th. Yes, Rasta. So this is the full barbecue, guys. Everything on.
Today was a real relaxing day. Now Babe's cooking a barbecue, and then we'll cut the cake later.
Yes, ma'am.
So, oh hang on, wait, do I have a cake? I think I do. I think it's a cake anyway. It's the obvious. There's a box in the fridge.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yes, Island. Yeah, we're going to do a video. So baby, you hold the camera because you've got longer arms than me. And we're going to do a cheers. Come on, Island. Come stand up here.
Okay.
Come. Quick. Where's your book? You're not going to have wine.
Wine here.
You're not going to have vino. This is wine.
Yeah.
Malbec. For all those, I love Malbec.
Since I came to Australia, I started drinking wine.
Yeah, but we
Never.
don't get drunk.
No, just new for me, you know what I mean?
Okay, do you want to stand up or not? We're going to do a cheers. Come on. Come on, Island. Get up. For Mummy's birthday.
Okay.
All right, hold this.
Okay.
Okay, guys. All right. So,
Yeah.
it's my birthday. So, thank you, babe, for the day.
Cheers
Island,
to you.
thank you. Cheers. Cheers, Papa.
Cheers to long life, more happy birthdays, and Bubba would probably say more cakes, more blessings, more love, you know?
Thank you,
Cupcakes
babe.
later.
You see me, I was ready for a swizz already to have a drink. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome,
Thanks,
babe.
guys.
Yeah, man. So,
Thanks,
babe's
guys.
birthday. All the Leos in the comment section. Come
All
on.
the Leos. All the lions. All the lionesses, actually. Yeah, if no one's ever realised, I always have been wearing this chain for a very, very long time. It's a little lion to represent, you know,
Yeah.
peace and love. Passion and passion.
I'm a gummy
Yeah,
bear.
that's
man.
me, guys.
That's
Yeah.
me, guys.
And he's a Leo too. Island, me and Island. Now we've got to have a Sagittarius.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Hopefully.
Yeah. Have the barbecue in the back there. Yes, man.
Happy
Cheers,
birthday.
guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay.
Just been relaxing all day. No work, thankfully. So, yeah, we went out for breakfast. We didn't have lunch because we ate so much for breakfast. So we were like, nope, lunch we'll skip. And now we're having a barbecue. So, yeah, good traditional Argentinian barbecue.
Barbecue.
Así es. Yeah, so there's Babe in the background. Don't mind the little mess we have going here. We need to build a shed in the back so our ride-on mower and things can fit in the back. So yeah, still a few little projects happening, you know, in the back scenes, in the background. Yeah, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need blanket.
So stay tuned for dinner. I wish we had the full gourmet Argentinian stuff, like the chorizos and everything, but we don't. So the real thing is the beef spare ribs. And unfortunately, they are a thin cut. They've already been cut like this at the butcher. So, yeah, so that's okay. They're already done. So it's very quick, this barbecue, no, Papi?
Yeah.
It's very quick. So, yeah, guys. And these are like some sausages. That one's from the supermarket. That's from the butcher. That's some chili sausage. So keep them away because I've got a feeling they might be a bit spicy.
Oh, really?
Yep. So, guys, if you ever come to Australia and you want to try some Argentinian barbecue without having to go to Argentina, come on down, or we'll come to you and we'll cook the barbecue for you all, you know?
Yes, man.
And I wish I could share my birthday cake with all of you. I don't know how big or small it is, but I wish one day we can all celebrate together,
Yes,
whether it's here or back in Jamaica or anywhere we are in the world.
Yeah.
Okay?
But no, we have to share it virtually.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah, virtually. Yeah. So Babe's a real asadero, as we say, a real Argentinian barbecue cooking man. Sisi. So yeah, good on you, babe. I'm proud. I'm proud wifey here. He learnt. He's learning real well.
Yeah.
Now it's my turn to learn the, like, you know, some more Jamaican cooking. Even though I know some already, but I think I could learn a bit more. It's just hard to find the real, you know, the real ingredients out here, guys. That's the thing. So yeah. Welcome back, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are ready to eat. We are ready to shell it down.
Eating time.
Eating time. Let's go now. We're on the road.
Let's go now. This is the cake, guys. This is Babe's cake. Full chocolate cake. Yes, Rasta.
Cake. Oh, wow. Just look at this.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Mom, Dada.
One more year. Blessings, you know?
I'm only turning 2, guys.
Yeah.
Me too. Let's turn it around.
Yummy cupcakes, chocolate.
Yeah, mommy
Alright,
birthday.
here we go.
Make your wish, baby.
We're gonna sing happy birthday.
Alright, let's sing. Ready?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip
Hooray!
hip hip
Hooray!
Yay! Helen blowing too.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job.
Turn the light.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, my loves. Thank you, all my loves. Thank you, my loves. Thank you, my love. Thank you, my loves. Thank you, my love.
Cakes.
Yeah, cake.
Yeah, cookie cake.
Chocolate cake, eh?
Yeah.
That's why you love when birthday come around, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go, guys. Let's.
You and mommy cut cake?
We love cake so much, Island, don't we? Okay, ready? I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, all the way down.
For me.
Ooh, looks like a clean cut for real, for real. 1, 2, 3, all the way down. Okay. Ah!
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Think of that, guys.
Nice.
Where's the plate?
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you, Island boy.
Welcome.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
It's
awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah. Happy.
And I feel sick now after dealing with the diarrhea. And Maria.
Oh,
What now? Oh my god.
Yeah, so the
I had a
final.
wine, I had a wild turkey, I had some cake. Now I feel so full.
Now the final surprise of the night
What is that?
is here in this little box here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so this is for you.
Mm.
Don't worry about the camera.
Gotta see, because you know, girls gotta look good for the camera.
Yeah, so
Oh my
a small little box
gosh.
here.
What is this?
Mm-hmm.
Ladies and gentlemen. What did he do now? What did you do now, baby?
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Something for you.
Oh my god, I love him and just everything. Oh my god!
oh my god!
Look at mommy, look daddy, you give me. No, wait, hold up, Naman. My god!
It's a ring from Prouds. Yeah. And it's apparently it's
Mommy.
I think it's gold, diamond, something. Don't remember the exact whatever it is, but yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that.
Let me try focus.
Hey? It's for Mum. It's her birthday.
Yeah, so that's
Daddy
what
buy
it
it for
says.
Mum. Oh my God, come here, baby.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Love you.
Yeah, I love you more.
Happy birthday, baby.
Why, babe?
Because you deserve it.
Isn't he a sweetheart? I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh my
I
God.
know you love your rings and thing like that.
I
so some of
do.
us-
I do. I really do.
Yeah. The thing is that I might have to get it resized, so that was probably the plan. Yeah. But I just get it for you. Just
Oh my God.
so
I'm in a
if
hot
it
mess now.
if it have to resize, I'll get it resized.
Yeah, actually, you know what? I can't get it off.
Oh shit, you serious?
No, it's the same problem we had when your wedding. ring
Oh
back
no,
in
you serious,
Jamaica.
babe? Why did you put it on so fast?
Oh my gosh! What the heck?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what did I do?
Oh,
Birthday fail.
jeez.
Oh no.
Wait, hold on. Let me see. Oh my God! I can't get it off.
You serious? We have to oil it.
Oh my God! That is. Really
Oh my
painful.
God. How am I gonna do now? Birthday fail. Birthday fail. Oh my God. Jaja.
Oh my God! It's really stuck on there. I'm not sticking my finger up at anyone, but
Oh
yeah.
shoot, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get. Some
Yeah,
soap.
oh my
Alright,
God.
Let's get that off.
Remember this happened to me in Jamaica? Oh my
I do
God.
remember.
When I
I do.
had my wedding ring and literally I couldn't get the ring off. What did I get it off again?
I can't. Oh.
Oh, I think I actually forced it till like my finger was so painful till I actually got it off. Yeah. Oh my God. But yeah, since I did figure it though, but yeah, I didn't know you were gonna put it on so fast, and I
Oh
didn't.
my God.
Oh shoot.
Oh
Yeah,
my God.
definitely gonna have to get it resized.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
What the heck? It's coming off, guys.
You
It's
sure?
coming off, yeah. Cheese and peas.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, it come off. That's not too bad. But it still need to get resized, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
get it
I wanted to
resized.
get it. If I'm gonna get it, I'll probably. Hang on, wait. 1 second, guys. 1 second.
Oh my gosh.
If I wanted to get it like resized, I'm gonna have it like. I don't want to be rude and stick my finger up at anyone, but I want it in my middle finger.
Oh, okay.
Pizza?
Is
Yeah.
that rude?
No, it's nothing to be rude. You're not
Like,
doing it there.
because if I can get it on my middle finger, then it will fit on this finger. And then also it will fit on that finger. So I've got 3 fingers I can play with. But I love it! I love it! I love it. Oh my God, thank you so much, babes.
Oh, okay.
He's the best. He is the best. He is the best. And the meaning to this ring, guys, is infinity.
Yeah.
It's an infinity ring. Oh
Apparently
gosh, wait, it's not.
apparently it's a 9 carat. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to look back
Why
on the
you
paper.
spending your money, no man?
I'm gonna have to look back on the paper.
Why you spending your money?
I'm spending it on my wife.
No, I know, but still. You don't have to do that, babes. But guys, it's beautiful. It's an infinity ring.
Yeah.
I'll give it back to you because you can put it in the box and we'll get it resized.
Yeah.
But it's an infinity ring.
Yeah.
If you see it,
Oh, I have the receipt same way, thank God.
show me.
Yeah.
Let's try and focus on
Yeah,
it.
tap on it.
Wow, look at that beautiful ring. Oh my God, it's an infinity ring, and infinity stands for, as you all know, infinity love.
Yeah.
Till death do us part. And even still, I'll be coming back to haunt your ass. No, I'm joking. That sounds so evil. Oh my God, that sounds so evil. No, I wouldn't do that. Oh, I love it.
I'm glad you loved it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday to you again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm ready for bed. Just about ready.
Yeah, and tomorrow back to work for me. Took the day off today, so yeah. It's amazing.
It's a beautiful day. We had a good day. It was a relaxing, no stress, just pure relaxation.
Yeah, from breakfast this morning
Till
coming home, relax, you know, do the barbecue, and yeah, it's been a good day, a really good day.
It's been a great day, guys. And that present just topped it off. I'm feeling all types of emotion. I'm feeling all types of emotions right now because I never expected Babe to go and buy me jewelry. You know, he always be buying me the most expensive things. I want him to save money.
I'm always saving money.
I know, but we want to go to Jamaica. We want to go to Jamaica. Okay, ready? Gonna do a dance. Ready? Gonna do a dance. All of us. Ready? Gonna do a dance to finish off the vlog. All right.
Don't make a dodo.
Oh god. Big up yourself, guys. Big up this far into the vlog. Make sure y'all just subscribe if you're new to the channel.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
I. Bless your eye.
Bye, Dodo.
Oh my god. Little more.
Yeah, you gotta say a little more, Bobo. Little more.
Okay, more Dodo.
No. Say little more, everybody.
More body Dodo.
No.
Let's go.
This rain is actually keeping up, hey. It's not giving us. So we're here at Lismore. Let's go, mister. We're here at the center. Shopping center. Hey boy. Your boy.
Really good job, Dad.
Hi, Bobby. Sonic.
Yeah.
Sonic, yeah.
Love Sonic, eh? Careful. It's gonna resize the ring, guys.
Did you get a treat?
Yeah.
No, it's my birthday.
Birthday.
Yesterday, so yeah. I wanted to go in the middle. Okay.
Wait, Island.
Hang on, Island.
So the jewelries.
I don't want to see the price. Oh. It was yesterday, but yeah,
Babe, so we're here in Lismore, right?
yeah.
I've been rushing you for something, right?
What?
Well, because we're all like 4 minutes late already, so I'm gonna tell you, babe. You're here to get a massage, a full body massage.
No.
Yes.
What do you mean?
I need to find a place now. I'm already lost. I know that it's in the square.
A full body massage? That's
Yes.
weird. I'm wearing a G-string.
Babe, come on.
I want you to
Come
give
on,
me the massage. You should
listen
give
to
me
me.
the massage. Hey,
Listen
guys.
to me, babe.
Babe,
We have to go.
give me the massage.
I don't remember where it's at in here, but I need to find the place. Do you remember?
It's down there.
Alright. That is
Do you
it.
reckon
So
we're going to do it though?
I've already booked the appointment from last week. That's why I'm saying. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I booked the appointment from last week. So no, why would I? Let's go. We're like 5 minutes late, babe. Let's go. Oh my God. I'll get him.
Hi.
Hello. Good day. I made an appointment from last week for my wife. Tyrone. I think I put it on the Tyrone or Maria. Yeah.
So it's
It was the 4:30, I believe.
4:30?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'm sure you
Yeah, I made a booking here. Yeah, a phone call from last week. Paradise. And they say coming at 4:30.
I like what the hell?
we got into some
It's
to
my
some
birthday
problem.
yesterday, so he's
So it's a full body massage.
Okay. Full body massage.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, no problem. Sit up.
yeah.
babe.
You ready?
What's he doing? Oh my gosh.
It's a surprise.
Surprise, yeah.
Alright. Yes, go on. Island, come. Alright. Good luck. Oh, then I'm gonna pay the guy and then yeah. Island, come.
Go with Dad, please.
Come.
So this is crazy, guys. I've never done this before. I'm a bit like worried right now, but yeah, this is really strange. Anyways, let's just wait and see how we go. Anyway, oh my god, how nerve-wracking. I'm actually really shocked because I didn't think Babe would do this, but anywho, I hope I don't have to get naked or anything. God, if you've ever had a massage, guys, let me know in the comments section. I feel a little bit I'll tell you all about it after I'm done, but yeah, I just feel weird. What the heck? Alright, well, let's just go with it and see what happens. God, I wasn't really ready for this, but okay. Let's do it, guys. It's my birthday and Babe wanted to surprise me, so I'm actually really surprised. Really surprised. Oh God. Alright, stay tuned, guys. And just to mention, this has been the best birthday I've ever had. Honestly, actually makes me emotional just thinking about it. So yeah, I'm like crazy. What the heck? Anyway, I think I gotta go. We'll talk about it after. Alright guys, I am here at the massage parlor right now. This is crazy. Yeah, you can. So I'm gonna get my massage now. So yeah, catch me back later and I'll tell you all about it later. So I'm done and dusted, guys. I just finished. I feel extremely dizzy though, I'm not gonna lie, but it was great. The bits where she didn't go too hard and almost break my back. It was a bit like, a bit sensitive there. I said, you probably think I'm a big baby because everything was just so sensitive. But anyway, let's talk about it when we get in the car.
So we're out here in the night, guys. We haven't gone home yet. We're here in Lismore. You guys remember this town was flooded, right? Yeah, it's full of life again. What do you call this again? Fire, what do you call it? Like a fire twirling.
That's actually Emily there, I think.
But they're pretty much closing it, yeah? Yeah, so it's supposed to be a night market.
Authentic Italian gelato. Interesting. Where's Bobby from?
It's right here.
Hi guys, we just about to close. You like a little gelato before we go home?
No, thank you. We're good. Thank you. Just first time here, so just having a look. Yeah.
Wonderful. Enjoy.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
You hear the accent there?
Yeah, Italian. Italian.
Yeah.
Oh well.
They're closing.
Oh well, next time we can come.
Yeah. So what's this building?
I think it's
Looks
back
like
of a library.
Oh, it's big, eh?
It's a library. Imitating somebody.
Yeah. Alright, guys.
Curry.
Yeah, so we are gonna try some
They
food.
don't. They might have lamb.
Try some curry in our night, yeah? Yeah. So we're there.
Staff wanted.
Yeah. Here we are. Wow, lots of antique stuff here.
Oh yeah.
It's like the chairs.
Oh, yeah, the antique stuff. Yeah.
Oh, nice. This is where we are. This is where we're gonna eat tonight.
I've got to tell you all about my massage experience. This man. Is that it?
Hello, girls.
So guys, we're here and we literally just met a Jamaican. He's a kid that's selling at he's at the front desk taking orders and all that. And he's actually Jamaican. His dad is in America, yeah? Yeah, so that's really good to know. He's living right here. And he has never been to Jamaica, he said. But yeah, he's definitely in his teens. And that's just amazing. Yeah.
And his hair is amazing.
You have like afro. This is him, guys. That's him right there.
We'll ask him if he wants to be on camera.
Yeah, that's him behind.
Maybe if your pick me is here, Mr. American Man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who knows?
That's crazy though. This is the second time we find a Jamaican out here. Well, we found one guy.
Lady too, in Ballina.
Yeah, and the guy in is it in Ballina?
In Ballina too.
The guy that had the fishing
At the fish shop.
Yeah. So this is 3 Jamaicans we met around this area.
Wow.
But, yeah, so that's amazing.
It is really good.
Yeah. So we have the chicken here and the curry goat here, so voice. Yeah.
So guys, we're done our food. What was that?
Really good. Really, really good. Remember the first time we really have like Indian food in our restaurant. This one we went to Fiji. Yeah, this is the second time around we sit down and eat. Food is really good. 10 out of 10 for sure.
Yeah. Loved it. It was really good. Absolutely just amazing. Probably got food in my teeth and I do apologise. But guys, it was really good. They was good, eh?
Yeah, worth it. Right now my food man comfortable.
I know Grandpa's ready for bed.
Work tomorrow again.
Alright, let's go. Welcome back guys to the Arden family.
Yes, man.
Well, where do we start? Our bellies are full.
Yeah.
True. Oh god, my hair's...
Just reach home.
Just got home, had a bath, took all that yucky oil off our body, well my body.
Yeah.
And now we're just gonna watch some TV.
Yeah,
Food
man.
was great. 10 out of 10 for food.
Loved it.
The massage was great, but it was painful, not gonna lie. It's a little bit painful.
Yeah.
What else?
I decided to get you the massage because I know for a while you've been feeling some body ache kind of pain, and I felt like well, I've not felt like I know you deserved it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I decided to go ahead with it, and I booked it from last week, guys. I was at work and I called. At first I googled it, like where can I find massage, whatever you call it, in this region, and I found in Lismore. So I was like, that's a good idea. And we ran into some complications when we got there, and I was like, shit, what kind of disappointment is this? Where the guy was saying there's no booking for me, which the lady that I spoke to on the phone spelt my name wrong and all that.
Instead of spelling it Tyrone, she spelt it Gyro.
Gyro.
So at that present moment, I was thinking to myself, is Babe pranking me? What's he doing? Because like when we were at home and he came from work and he's like, come on babe, we've got to go, we're going to upsize your ring and, whatever. Yeah. And I'm just like, why is he in a hurry? Like he's in a haste.
I've been rushing you.
And he's been rushing me. And I was dressing up in jeans at first, right? I ended up wearing black tights. Yeah. And I had jeans and I had a G-string, a thong, right, on. And I was like, well, okay, so we're only just going to go to the shop. I'll just leave this on, right? But I didn't know. Lord forbid.
As I was saying to you, get comfortable.
He did say get comfortable, and I'm like, well, tights and jumper is comfortable. Yeah. I mean, it's still winter. Yeah. And then I'm like, this guy's tricking me, man. Yeah. And when he said you're getting a massage, I was like, babe, I'm not even ready for it. Like, I don't have a full set of underwear on.
Yeah. And one of the things that happened, which is very shocking, I told Babe about it.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Is when Babe gone for a massage. I went into here they have parents' room where you bring your child and the bathroom, everything is there, and so I went in there. Moment I stepped in, I saw a little boy and a little girl. The little girl is around like island age. The boy is probably about a year or two older, and I'm telling you guys, when I stepped in there, the little girl starts screaming her head off. Literally saying, "Mom, Mom." The little girl pressed the green button because it's a button to exit or to enter. And once you're inside, you press it to exit, right?
Okay.
The little girl pressed the button, exit, run out into the hall, what you call it? Is it like a hall
Like
area?
a hallway.
Yeah.
To go out.
Yeah.
Of the restrooms entirely.
The little girl run out there screaming, "Mom, Mom!" And at the same time, the lady was in the bathroom, so she left the boy and the girl in the little lounge area to sit while she go in the bathroom. And the woman run out like panicking, like, "What's going on?" And at the same time, the kid was outside and she rushed and get the girl. And she was asking, like, "What's wrong?" And the little girl point at me. And I'm like, "Shit." So same time, I'm like, I apologize and said I'm sorry. You know what I mean? Like, because in reality, I shouldn't even apologize. But I'm like, the way the little girl scared, may I tell you? I'm like, is it because I'm black or is it because I'm a stranger? Because it only come down to that. To me, I was like really shocked.
Wow.
And the little boy was there just like staring at me like he doesn't know what to do. And the little girl was screaming. The girl run from me, run outside. I'm telling you, I've never had that experience.
So, yeah, like quickly in the comment section, like, has anybody ever experienced that? I've never experienced that personally. I think the girl was probably really frightened because of Babe's skin color, but I'm thinking to myself, like, the mother should have, like, snapped her out of it. Like, if that was, like, just say, I don't have, Ireland, right? And I just, by all means, like, whatever, I had a baby with a white man, right? And my child did that to me and I was in the bathroom and, like, I think I would, like, literally tell the child off right there and then. Say, why are you scared? Like, what's going on? And confront Babe and be like, "Oh, sir, are you okay? Like, it's okay. She's just probably never seen someone like you before or whatever." Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just found that was just strange.
Yeah,
really
and
weird.
all she said was like, "Oh, it's okay, weird. It's okay." I'm like,
she just told her it was okay.
Yeah, that's all she said. Like, it's okay. Wow. Like,
unless something maybe happened to the girl,
I don't know,
or whatever, but
like some kind of trauma or something.
Like a trauma thing. So she kind of freaked out. Who knows?
I've never had this experience.
Who knows?
Before.
We can't just say it's based on skin color because we're not sure. But that's the first thing that will come into a human's mind is maybe because she maybe didn't. But if you think about it though, Lismore and those areas are full of different nationality people. Any colour skin really.
I don't know if me look ugly and scary to her.
Don't say that.
But then I won't me scare her.
He's not ugly. You're not ugly.
But then I know which part I me scare her. But
he's not ugly.
She was really scared.
So whoever says he's ugly, sorry, you're wrong. 100% wrong.
Yeah, 100% wrong.
But anyway.
Yeah.
Wow, and then we went to the restaurant and we met a Jamaican boy.
Yeah.
Which was a sad story too.
Yeah.
He explained.
Not necessarily, but yeah, he as a Jamaican father that he doesn't really know and things like that. So yeah, he's a teenager. He grew up in Lismore apparently.
He's still in high school.
Yeah.
And nice boy.
Yeah.
Unfortunately his dad was never around to see him.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, but I asked him if he wanted to know his Jamaican side, and he said he'd love to know the Jamaican culture. So I said, "Oh, Babe can teach you."
Because he doesn't know the language or anything. He doesn't. He's not up to date with with the whole
With all
culture. Nothing at all, really. Yeah, he just knows the Aussie side of things based on what he said. Yeah.
So, yeah. But he seemed like a nice boy, so
Yeah, he's cool.
he reminded me of Ireland a little bit.
Yeah.
Ireland in an older version.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was nice to meet him, and
Yeah, man.
So it goes to show he's not the only Jamaican that we've met.
Sure.
Here, there's a few. So yeah, which I think we did mention that already.
Yeah.
But anyhows, guys, we're tired. We're gonna go and
man.
relax and watch a movie.
Yeah.
And guess who's asleep?
Little boy, Island.
Little Island boy. Look at him. And he's in his bed, guys. He is in his bed. Which means... What do you reckon it means? Me and Daddy can watch a movie together, stuck like glue. Not like, Island in the middle and he's like, right, we're far apart from each other.
Yeah.
So we can actually, watch a movie together and and relax. So on that note, we're going to love and leave you all. Thank you all for tuning into the Island family.
Yes, man.
I am so tired right now. That massage. I'll show you tomorrow if my back is bruised or what.
Yeah.
If my back is bruised, then you know she really pressed hard.
Yeah.
But thank you, babe.
You're welcome, babe.
Thank you so much. I've had the best birthday ever, honestly.
I'm glad you enjoyed.
He's such a sweetheart. He is. All right, guys.
Yeah, man. Peace out.
out.
Blessings all the time.
One love. One love.